Hey you guys, back with another video. I just opened these burritos. I'm making a beef and bean burrito bake. It's something really quick and easy. You would need some enchilada sauce. Need some olives. I got these olives here from Kroger. I just pulled some out. And you need some Mexican corn. And you would need cheese. And I also, this is optional. It's jalapeno peppers, okay, you guys? So I'm gonna get started here. This is my pan here. And what you do is, I rinsed everything off. Okay. You're gonna pour half of this at the bottom of the tray. Or your pan, or whatever you call it. Okay. Get a little saucy here. Okay. It's gonna be just like that. Okay. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the burritos and I'm going to cut them in half. Hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys. Here it is. I cut them. And the best solution, before you use this recipe, make sure you thaw out your burritos first. So I had, let me see, 2, 3. I had 4 burritos, but I cut them in half here. Okay, you guys. And then I'm going to lay them in the sauce. You can put them any way you like, you guys. And also in these burritos here, they have all different brands. They have y'all hear that noise? Somebody, I'm getting a delivery, I think. But anyway, they have all different ones. They have like bean and cheese and all different kinds. But I like this one better because it have like a little beef in it and everything. So I got this here. I have one more burrito here. So I'm going to cut this, guys. Okay, I got all the burritos in there. Okay, next one I'm going to do is I'm going to add this corn. I had a hard time finding this corn at Kroger's, and it was on the top aisle, and so I don't know. I'm trying to get some peppers. I haven't ran into no peppers yet. This is just a simple little Mexican dish. It's really quick for your family that kids are going back to school. Where I stay at, they go back to school on Monday. So this is something quick for the kiddos or something. And like for today, I got to start to prepare myself to get ready to go back to work. And I washed this morning, so I don't know. Okay. And the only thing I have to do now, you guys, is vacuum. So I'll probably do this while it's cooking. And you bake this between 30 and 40 minutes, okay? Okay, you can put how much corn. And like these peppers hiding in the bottom of this can. Okay. Okay. So you can put how much you want or whatever. I'll probably add a little more. Then I'm going to add some olives. I love olives, you guys. Especially like on my tacos and things. And I'm going to add a few jalapenos. But like I said with that, you guys, that is optional. I just want a little heat to mine. Add a little bit more corn. inside, get the vacuum while it's cooking. Okay. Now I'm going to add my jalapeno peppers. And I also got those from Kroger's. I'll just add a little of this because just to give it a little heat to it. Oh, the sun done came out. What? Surprising. Okay. And then I'm going to add the rest of this. And just try to make sure everything is covered on the burrito. Okay. So that's it for that. And that's my cheese. Here. You can add any type of cheese you like to your liking. I was looking for triple cheddar. And they end up going that way. Okay. You can put how much cheese you like, how less cheese you like. It's up to you, you guys. Okay. So once again, I got the oven on 350. So I'll put just a few more olives on top. And it's ready to roll. So I'm going to put it in the oven. And I'll be back shortly. Okay, you guys. My enchilada bake is almost done. I have 10 more minutes. I'm just coming to check it. Oh, that cheese. Okay, look up under there, you guys. That's the burrito. That's the enchilada sauce. Okay. Yeah. So, that's all the cheese. Look yummy. Can't wait to dig in. Make sure it's not sticking on the side. And my corn. I got jalapenos. My olives. And burrito. All this cheese. Alrighty, you guys. It still have to bake some more. I'm going to put it back in the oven. But I thank you guys for watching. And before I go, you guys, it tastes, if you had the Mexican pizza from Taco Bell before, it keeps you in the mind of that when you try it. So I hope you guys will be trying it because for me, that's what it tastes like. So let me put this back in the oven for 10 more minutes, you guys. And once again, I thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.